Helen from Scossa. We're an independent furniture and lighting retailer based in Preston, specialising in designer brands. With the Tom Dixon Melt Pendant display in our showroom, and Lee and I thought we'd do a quick video today to show how easy it is to replace the LED light when it stops working. So I'm just going to introduce you to my husband and partner in the business, and he's going to show you how to do it. Here's Lee.
Hi Emily, how are you doing? So, dead easy. Take the shade off, that just comes apart that way. Then that will leave you with this plastic diffuser that snaps out. Then you'll end up with 3 screws. Undo them. That will leave you with the light ring.
Have you switched the power off at this point then?
Maybe.
So obviously switch the power off and make sure there's safety precautions are being observed.
Snap the junction box apart. That gives you the light ring. Fantastic, job done. You can discard that, then you can do your new one. That'll re-clip back in. Put your 3 screws back in, cover and your shade, and that's that fixed. Your next pain point will be your transformer, which is at the top, which is easy to access. So it's at the top. There are 2 screws. Undo the 2 screws, that can remove the transformer. Then you can swap the cables out with the new transformer that you've received. And then once you've done that, everything just goes back. It is. And that should be your melt full fix.
So if your melt pendant is still under warranty, then just simply contact your dealer where you originally bought the light from, and they should organise a replacement LED and transformer. So if you want to contact us, do so by all means, and we'll provide the link to our website below. Thank you for watching.